Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the European Fire insect in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Sometimes I get a daily quest to catch European Fire insect and I'm going to show you guys what it means. Basically, the European Fire insect is the European Fire bug. Let me show you my insect story. And this is how the European firebug looks like, and you can catch this insect around the home area. Okay, and usually it's on the top of the rock like this. So I'm going to try to catch it, guys. Oh, it's gone. So yeah, I think that's the European fire insect, and you just need to explore the home area and you will see the European firebug. It's already gone, so I need to explore more area to find the European fire insect or European firebug. Okay guys, and that's where you can find the European fire insect in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!